Guys, it's 2020 giveaway time. So 2020 has been a tough year. I think we can all agree on that. We're now seeing the end out of 2020 and looking forward to seeing 2021 come in. We're all hoping for a much, much better year. So I thought I would give something back to you guys. What is it? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scenes Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, 2020, what a year. I think we will all remember that year for the year that it wasn't. However, we're on the cusp of getting into 2021. We're all hoping for a better year. So what better way to start that than with a free giveaway? Yes, I'm giving something back to you guys who have watched my videos, who have liked them, subscribed to them, and even clicked on that bell icon to have been notified of new videos. I want to give something back to you guys. So guys, what is it? Well, a few weeks back, I made a couple of videos on this, the Livall C20 smart helmet. This thing is an absolutely awesome helmet. Very comfortable, very, very light, packed full of tech. This has got automatic braking, fall detection, GPS. You know, it's absolutely loaded with technology. But the thing is, guys, this to buy would probably cost you about £70. But I want you guys, one of you lucky guys, to have a chance to win this for free. So guys, what do you have to do to win this helmet? Well, pretty easy really. All you have to do is like this video, leave me a comment as to why you should be the winner, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And one of you lucky viewers is going to win this helmet. And that's it. This is literally as easy as it gets. Honestly, great piece of kit. You can use this for cycles. You can use this for electric scooters. This thing it's a really awesome helmet. I pretty much used it for a week with clean hair, of course. And all I can say is, if I didn't have the Neo helmet, which I already bought first, this would be my go-to day-to-day, everyday helmet of choice. So guys, as I said, all you need to do is leave a comment in the comment section as to why you think you should win this helmet. Just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and you will be in with a chance to win this helmet. That's it guys, simple as. So thanks ever so much for watching guys. I'll say a happy new year to you all, and you know what? You guys make this channel for me, so you inspire me to continue to make these videos. So guys, please as ever, like, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and guys, I will see you in the next one. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens. Bye for now.